Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 226 named Invert binary tree problem. Before starting the discussion, I want to tell you something. This kind of problem basically belongs to the tree categories, and in the technical interview, the tree category problems are the crucial. If you go in any company's technical interview, you will find at least 2 or 3 tree related problem there. So we have to understand the tree related problem very well. Anyways, let's move on to the discussion. This problem is a pretty straightforward. In this problem, we are given a binary tree and we have to invert the tree. At first, in the example 1, we are given a binary tree here, and after inversion, the tree will like this. Anyways, we will try to explore the inversion algorithm graphically in our next section. Now, let's move on to the discussion. Anyways, now we are trying to understand the inversion algorithm by using the example 1. In the first example, we are given a binary tree, which is this. The root of this binary tree is 4, and it has 2 children, which is 2 and 7. And 2 has also 2 children, which is 1 and 3. And 7 has also 2 children, which is 6 and 9. Now, we have to perform the inversion algorithm into this tree. And finally, after applying all the steps, our tree will look like something like this. Anyways, you don't have to understand it right now. We will explain it further. Now, at first, we are presented in the root, and we have to swap the value of the left and the right children of this root. Here, the value of the left children is 2, and the value of the right children is 7. So in this case, we have to write 7 here and 2 here, because we are swapping these two. And their children value will remain same. The children of 7 is 6 and 9. So we will write 6 here and 9 here. And the value of the children 2 is 1 and 3. So we have to write 1 and 3 here. And we did forgot to write 4 into the top. We are writing it here right now. Anyways, after applying the inversion algorithm into the root, we have to recursively apply the inversion algorithm into the left subtree, and after that into the right subtree as well. Now assume we are performing the inversion algorithm into the left subtree, which is this. In this subtree, the root is 7, and which has 2 children, which is 6 and 9. So here we have to swap them. So we have to write 9 here and 6 here. And all the other part will remain same. So we have to put 7 here, 4 here, 2 here, and 1 and 3 here. Now we have completely explored the left subtree. Now we have to recursively call the DFS function into the right subtree as well. So now we have to explore this part. In this right subtree, the root value is 2 and the children value is 1 and 3. So after applying the inversion algorithm, we have to swap the children value, which is we have to put the value of 3 into the place of 1, and we have to put the value of 1 into the place of 3. So here we have to put the value of 3 here, and we have to put the value of 1 here. So it is the final tree after applying all of the steps of the inversion algorithm. In short, we can say that we are basically running a DFS function. We can run this DFS function in any order, either pre-order, post-order, or in-order fashion. And after applying all of the steps of this inversion algorithm, our tree will look like something like this. I hope you understood the inversion algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this code, we are given a function named invert tree, and we are given a tree as the parameter, and we have to also return a tree node. Anyways, At first, we have to check the base condition, which is root is equal to null. If it is, then we have to return null. And after checking the base condition, we have to swap the value presented in the left children and the right children of this root. After that, we have to recursively call the invert tree function into the right subtree. And after that, we have to recursively call the invert tree function into the left subtree as well. And finally, we have to return the root. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.